We're back at it. We're playing. Oh my days. Let's start the server. We're playing the server. Not playing. What's happened? Yo, what up? Wait a sec. Wait. Let there be light. All right now. Server's running. Man, now the app is no fun no more, right? When the app is fun to build, this is when I don't feel like touching it again. It's kind of like 20, 60, 20. Like I want to touch it in the beginning, and then I want someone else to clear up the mess, or like do the manual stuff, right? That I don't want to do that, and then in the end I'm gonna come back and do my finishing touches. Apparently that's how. Right? So let me say that later. Right? Okay. Can I make it bigger? A bit bigger. Okay. So let's start, then I'll say some words. What happens is I'm using this opportunity to record some of the shorts from this, and it works really well, right? So I don't have to take, it's because I want to say the same thing anyway, right? Come on. So this is React Native starting in an iMac with 16 gigabyte of RAM. M1 iMac. You can say that's why it's a bit slow. I don't know. This is the first time we're like starting this app. I don't know what's happening. What's happening, app? Why are you so slow? Nah, it's done. All right. So I like to work this way, right? Kind of like how, what's this artist? What's his name? Wait. They have. What's his name? What was his name? Not him. Famous artist. 80s. What's his name? Can't remember. Yeah, this guy. Pop artist. What's his name? Andy Warhol, right. So let's take this image as an example. So Andy Warhol, right? Okay. Andy Warhol had an amazing capability. Andy Warhol had amazing capability of churning out images after images. Most artists can't even get that many pictures out, but Andy was able to get a lot of it out. And it is said that he industrialized the whole artist process, the painting process. The way he did that was he would start on 5 or 6 different pictures, right? And he would start, and then his assistants would come up, and then his assistants would record, like do the rest of it, like 80%, and then Andy Warhol would finish it. So it's like 10, 80, 10. So 10% Andy, 80% other people, 10% Andy. So, and that's how he kind of industrialized his painting process. And I like working like that. I like to work on the app. I get the scaffolding done. I get the main parts done, right? All this done, and it's all working nice. Now there's some JSON data plumbing needs to be done. For example, this is done, right? All these pictures are generated. I did the ML machine learning models and all that. Now some of it needs to be done, right? Some of it are not done. For example, to go back, right? Cairo. And for this, the picture needs to be done. And I don't feel like doing it because it's the manual process. But I want someone else to do it for me. And then when it happens, I'll come back and I'll finish it up. And that's how I feel like we can finish a lot of apps, indie apps, right? Presently, the way apps are being made by solopreneurs is solopreneurs are working on one thing at a time, or maybe 2 or 3 things, 1 month each app. But the thing is, if you give 1 or 2 months to each idea, you're not giving it enough time to bloom. Rather, what you should do is apply an entrepreneur system, which is you would start and you'll have a small team, and you will normally hire this team from Asia, right? And this team will be very cheap, probably $500 each developer, and you'll manage this team because you're technical. They can't steal your time, and they can't do less work and show you that, yeah, we've been working. They can't do that because you're a CTO yourself, you're a programmer yourself, right? If you're already in Indonesia, Bali, Malaysia, hire some local people there. $300 to $500 per month. You get a team for $2,000, right? And just tell them what to do, and they'll do it. And this is how you can have multiple apps running at the same time. And this is, my friends, we're calling it multipreneurship. Nah, we're calling it entrepreneurship. Right? So that is how I think a lot of it. So I'll show you something. Where is that? Where is that kid gone? Today I was talking with this kid, this young man. He only gets, right? So today I was talking with this young man, and he only gets $300 per month. Okay, only $300 per month. And he's asking me, what can you do? I asked him, can you do video editing? He's a programmer. He's a Laravel programmer on the back end, and he does some front end. And I asked him, can you do some video editing? And he said, yeah, I can. I said, all right, show me some of your work and I'll employ you. And he's willing to be a full-time video editor, because if the full-time video editor job pays more. So that's how sad it is down here in Southeast Asia. Programmers, and if you, let's say, if you hire this guy for $500, he'll be so happy. And if you hire him for $1,000, he's a junior developer, a junior Laravel developer, and he's not hiding his technical capability. So if you hire him for $1,000, imagine how happy he'll be and how hard he'll work, because it's a chance of a lifetime. You have 3x his payment and salary. So by hiring a team down here in Southeast Asia, you're not doing him a disservice. You're actually doing him a service, right? Another reason I think people shouldn't go through agencies, right? What agencies do is agencies get a job from you, from Upwork and places like that, and they exploit these guys for $300 per month. Imagine that. And I was talking with this young man, and he only gets $300 per month. Imagine that, right? And he's willing, imagine if you hire him directly, and if you give him at least $800 or $700, he'll be working full time for you, and he will work with his heart and soul, right? And that's why whenever I make a team, I directly employ the boys under the company's name, and I tell them, make a Payoneer account, get the money from the employee directly to your account. I don't take anything from the middle, right? These guys get a lot of money, like 2x, 3x their money, and I get a happy team, and the people over there are saving money as well, probably $500,000 by having a team down here, right? And the reason I do it, I get super fun, I get extreme fun when they get like 3 or 5 times, when they 3 or 5x their salary. It's super fun for me, and also is ethical for me, and it's not that much of money. Like $1,000 is not that a lot of money, and everyone is happy. It's a win-win situation. So let's get back to our app. It's turning into a make something in Asia thing, right? Let's get back to our app. So where is our app at? That's number one thing. What's happening? Right? What's happening? We need to open up the other PC, the Linux PC. Why is it not opening up? That's the question. Let me check it out. The cables were loose. It is starting up. Let's go to the second channel. Second. What? Right. So, what we have here. All right now. Okay. Can't remember what happened last time. Not that. We need the folders. This is what I don't like. I'm thinking about hiring that kid to do this work for me. But what I've seen from experience, engineers make excellent video editors. Right? Output. So verbs, what is this? To approach, to apply. Let me see it. What is this? To apply. Okay. To announce. Nice. To admit. I don't understand. Okay. Verbs. Okay, to achieve, to admit, to affect. By the way, this is some of the previous one. Right? Beautiful. Big, brave, bright, busy. I like this style. Cold. It's easy to show cold. Cowardly. Dark. What a picture, man. Love it. I'm really thinking, like, should I make something which has like a reply, LLM reply type of thing? Should I make something like that? Right? Twitter. What's his name? Reply guy. That's the thing, right? Auto replies. 100K ARR. What? Should we build it? AI guy is 100K. By the way, I was looking at this. Reply guy is AI bot, which is basically not that much. AI that finds best places to mention your product online. Perfect conversation. Fast and great voices. News articles. Any speech. Finished my first novel and would like to release the audiobook conversion. Why did you find a narrator? Narrate all your sleeves a lot. Have you considered having an AI do it? That is so bad. I used any switch on my last review and it came out great. That's bullshit. Oh man, what's this? So it's making 100K ARR. Log in with Google. Total 1-2 hours per day. Personal text, write a personal text for each subtitle, suitable mention in which your product will be mentioned. Okay, basically you're mentioning your product, you're plugging your product, that's what it is. Create a project, add keywords, okay. And 2 minutes, okay. Save 30 to 60 hours monthly on each project, get leads. So, it's basically they're training some LLM, it's nothing. $10 per month. They're making 100K, by the way, 100K annual revenue. So 10K per month. This is a good business. This is a business on autopilot, kind of. I don't know, man. The thing, my main worry is this, but the thing is, if you train it well, the models are getting better. If you use Grok, it's just a Chrome browser nowadays, nothing else. You know what? Let's work on that. Let's work on a Chrome browser, man. Can I change my stuff real time? Let's work on that, because I feel like I want to work on that. Yeah, you know what? Forget about it. Yo, Chrome browser. Cursor AI. Making a Chrome browser using cursor AI. We're gonna close this down. What's the good diff? What haven't I done? U10. What's happening? What's happening? Why did you add that comma there? No good. Probably because we copied it from somewhere. But anyway, what? Someone messed up my pretty RRC. Probably me. Vim dot pretty RRC. Trailing comma semi-false. What's wrong with you? Yo. Semicolon false. Yeah. Why did you have semicolons? I hate semicolons. Yeah, there's no semicolons no more. Yeah, what's the git diff now though? What? Bullshit stuff. Anyway. Prettier stuff. Master. Updated GLPT, we took it out. Yeah, nice. So let's go to Chrome. Burn the extension. How do you run that? How do you run that? Like that, right? Hopefully, I haven't like opened it up in so many days. Is it not how it is run? And then we're gonna add cursor. How do you run it though? Display and customize dual subtitles for YouTube. Yeah. Last time when it didn't work, it's probably because I made a lot of mistakes when it said like, hey, let's make myself a bit smaller. I made a lot of mistakes, right? When like I made mistakes when it actually didn't apply to here, and I think that's when. By the way, how do you run it? How do you run it? Run it again? I totally forgot it. Let's ask it. How do you run it again? I heard you can use ChatGPT. I feel like coffee and it's like 11 p.m. in the night. Node. No. Not chunking. Not chunking. uh, running the extension. How'd you do that? How'd you do that? I even forgot like where we left it, but this time I'm gonna give it a. Oh, you don't have to do shit? Okay. So it's just here then. Load, what's that? Manage extensions. Open it up. Nice, there's error. Background JS, refuse to evaluate a string as JavaScript because unsafe eval. What? Clear, man. Let's just start from the new, man. Load unpacked. Where's the shit we left it? Projects. That's it? Like, what do you load? Distribution? I totally forgot it. Load and develop, load unpacked, and directory. Select the directory. Save your extension file. So it's the mother one, that one. Projects could not load CSS file. Load manifest. Why? Why not? I messed it up. Okay, I think I messed up. You know what? Is it had? Works with Webpack. Oh, I added Webpack. Do I need Webpack? Oh my God! Why did we add a Webpack? We did it so long. Oh, because you have a dictionary? Man. Let's do the git log. Working with Webpack clean slate. Yeah, let's go back one more. Git reset hard head. What is that? True? How do you git reset hard head to? I'm asking it. Like git reset hard head. Isn't it? What's that? Git reset head hard? Git reset hard head. This is the one. Clean set. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, cool. Now let's load unpacked. Both the extension. What's in the dictionary thing? I think we were trying to add the dictionary and we failed, but now I have the main file. YouTube, yeah, but what's this? Baki Hanma Daru. So it is, as you can see, it is loading the Japanese subtitle really well, and because we have Japanese subtitle in there, right? Yeah, where's my thing gone? Tan YouTube dual, yeah. So we're gonna change some shit, and so it is dual subtitle, and I've checked the subtitle, and it is showing the same subtitle as what is being like. So we don't want that. We need the Japanese one. So it's changing that. It's just, the thing is, we have like both this and that, and now we need to, okay. So let's go from here. Cool. However, it is not showing both, and we have to, not from manifest pop-up JS, everything is gone. Why? Hell no. Okay. Node models. Test. Okay. Content just manifest. Content just. I think content just right. Cool. However, it is not showing both subtitles. I think I'll give it to it. It's not even loading both subtitles in the drop down. So let's just do that first. Here's the code. Because I needed to look it into, because that's the mistake I made last time, was it was giving me solution after solution, but as soon as I was pressing the apply button, it wasn't applying it. I could see it because there was the git diff, right? But now the problem is, I know that because I've seen that happen. So I'm gonna like catch it. Sorry for all the guys in YouTube who are gonna come in to look for like a React Native app with cursor and see like something else. But anyway, let's focus loading both subtitles in the drop down and display. Yeah, that's what we want. Here are the key areas. Content.js. Okay, Content.js. So in Content.js, apply selected subtitles. Let's apply that. Cool, it did apply it. Now we know it for sure. Okay, more pop-up.js. Pop-up.js. Right? Pop-up.js. Yeah. Pop-up.js. There. Let's do that. By the way, see how it's popular drop-downs. Popular drop-downs. Okay, subtitle 1. So inner HTML available tracks. Okay, didn't have that before. Okay. Now document, where's the last one? Document, add event listener, Chrome storage sync, get available tracks, font size. Okay, cool. Detected and stored. Both drop-down menus in the pop-up are populated with all. All right, let's see what happens. So now what? Now we have to go. So reload your extensions. What? Yeah. After making these 2 sets of subtitles on YouTube, challenging for how, okay, the approach of creating a second player on the second subtitle is a workaround, but it may not. Second player for the second subtitle is a workaround, but it may not work perfectly in all cases. After making these changes, reload your extension and try it on a YouTube video with multiple subtitle tracks available. Reload your extension. This. Japanese auto-generated. You know what? This would be great. Like if it had just this bit, like English there, and this subtitle here is. That is like what I want, really. Nothing else. But let's just see if this shit is working. It is not. It should show you the list of subtitles that is not this one. There was this guy. Let's go to like the Baki Hanma stuff. It doesn't even have like CC. Pranking my friend with Formal Japanese. Yeah, this guy. So, but this guy has like his English, and this guy has like, okay, he has many subtitles. All right, let's see. Dude, no. No border. No border. So if I generate Korean, it is actually doing the Korean stuff. It's amazing, right? Does it have Bengali? No. Okay. Hindi? Yeah. I can't read Hindi, but I understand it. Arabic? I can read Arabic, but I don't understand it. Weird, right? Right. So, but he shows like both subtitles in the same time, which is nice, but most people won't have that, right? He shows both subtitles at the same time. What we want is we want to load both type of subtitle. It's not loading it. It's not loading it. All right, let's see what happens. Troubleshoot issue step by first. Let's modify the contingents file to add more logging. Now I don't want no logging. I don't want logging. Content.js. Check out the content.js. And pop-up.js together. See if anything is missing. So I've given him both files, so that's a large context, and see if it can handle it. See if it can handle it. After reviewing both contents, I have noticed few issues that might be preventing the subtitles from loading properly. Okay, contingents detect subtitles from its call. Available tracks are being properly saved and retrieved. In pop-up.js, there's no mechanism to refresh the available tracks when the pop-up is open. Here is the changes I suggest. All right, cool. So that's new, like what we're doing now. Like that's new. Okay, that's the only new part. Like now I know that I have to copy it and like send it to him, and like sometime for him, because I was thinking that it reads everything, but it doesn't. What? Okay, in content.js, add a listener to get available tracks option. What's happening? Oh, I thought like things are. See, it's doing like generating, and it hasn't done anything. Right? Yeah, now it is like from runtime on message. The best thing to do is just copy it there. Old school copy paste stuff. Yo. This changes. Okay. Now what we do? Is my loading like wrong in some way or another? Right? 皆さん、どうもこんにちは。鳥です。Make some comments, boys. Make some comments. You guys are viewing it. If you're here, make some comments. Let's talk. Ask me shit. Ask me shit about anything. AMA. Ask me anything. Shit. My friend is Andre is like doing shit as well. Why can I comment? Yo, what up, man? Commenting on his stream. It's like commenting on his stream. So, one streaming. It's not like it's unloading shit. Okay, let me change something. Let me change this font color, right? From here. Where's the font color gone? Font color. Tripixon solid red. Right? I just want to test something. So when we reload it using this and then reload it from here, see that has been reloaded. Font color. Show border. Show border. Container border 3 pixel solid red. Oh yeah, it did load, right? So I just wanted to check that out, right? So we reloaded it. It did reload like the code. Okay. The pop-up requestable tracks still doesn't work. Still doesn't work. I wonder if like the still loads just one. Apologize for the confusion after reviewing the code and I identified a few issues. In content.js, modify the detect subtool function to manage the pop-ups. Okay, do that. This is me just coding blindly. I don't know anything about how to make Chrome extensions. I'm not even reading this shit. But it didn't happen. Function detect subtitles. See, this was happening. Okay, let me find detect subtitle tracks. If YouTube player, get options, available tracks, YouTube player, get options, track list, captions, track list, Chrome runtime, send message, action. In pop-up.js, add a message listener and a function to request tracks. Pop-up.js, do that. Let's see what, add this function. So it took that out, only that thing, nothing else. Function reset available tracks, where is that? Request available tracks, yeah, query active true, tabs ID action, get available tracks. Document, add event listener, DOM content, request available tracks, okay. We already have that. Everything we wanted. In content, just add a listener for get available tracks. Chrome runtime on message add listener. Request sender. Update subtitles. I'm just checking it. It looks like okay. It's not gonna add anything in there. Well, it didn't add anything, so I doubt. Okay, there's some errors. Pop-up HTML could not establish connection. Receiving end does not. So let's load it one more time. That's fine. Let's reload it here. Minasan jau hao konnichiwa hitori desu. Nope. Actually, is it like Command Shift I, isn't it? No? Why am I doing this to me myself? Come on. Come on. Why would people escape from 9 to 5? Come on. Bullshit. How do you open like console? Command Shift I, isn't it? Settings. How'd you open a fucking console, man? I can't be that dumb. Brave. Password, history, extension, more tools, devices. Alter Command I. Alter Command I. Yeah, okay. Why do I have that Command Shift I in my head? Okay. Dude, not an iPhone SE. Come on. Why are you doing this? Yeah, no point. Post error blocked by client. Error blocked by client. I don't think it has anything to do with that. Nope. Can't do shit. Screenshot. Apologize for the content. Let's try a different approach to debug the problem. We add some logging to help identify what the process is breaking down. Here's the changes we'll make. Make it. Content.js. Make it. Generating. So it's basically adding console logs and adding async, like adding some. That's typical junior developer stuff. It's like adding some like time delays, set intervals. Cool. I'll accept it. I wish there was someone like with me, co-coding with me. But that's all you want. Add logging. All right. Add all the logging. Populating. Yeah. In background.js, add logging. Background.js. By the way, which background.js is that? Background.js. Background.js apply. Yeah. After making these changes, reload the extension. Try it on a YouTube video. Open the browser's developer console. Control Shift I. Huh? Isn't it? Okay, Alt Shift. And check for any error message or logs that might help identify what the process is breaking down. Some things to look out for. YouTube dual subtitles. Okay, let's see whatever logs come out. Bang bang de bang. What's this? Grizzly on script loaded? That's not ours. YouTube dual subtitle extension loaded. Okay, cool. YouTube dual subtitle extension loaded. Is initialing YouTube player logged? Initializing YouTube player. Yeah. YouTube player found. Receiving error message. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay, these two are logged. Logged. Then error happened in the pic. 3 4 wasn't logged. Available tracks not detected and logged. No. Also, obviously, this is not gonna load it as well. So yeah, we debugged some shit. See what happens. I feel like coffee is like 11 and a half. What is wrong with me? Thank you for providing the information. Extension is loading, but it's encountering an error. Yeah, no shit. Before it can fully initialize the YouTube player and detect the available tracks. Let's address this issue step by step. Yeah, first let's modify the initialize YouTube player function in content.js to add more detail logging and error. Yeah, why not? Do that. I should make a comedy club with Cursor not being able to do shit in my app. Say some shit, boys. So it says this. Did it generate this shit? Man, I feel I requested that I am moved to the marketing department of the company I work in. That they're okaying it as well. Should I do that? They're like, yeah, because my boss wants to like leave someone in the marketing department. And bang de bang. Shut up, man. Attempt to find. Whoa, what? Attempt 3 to find YouTube player. Found movie player element. Movie player found, but get pressed at not available yet. Attempt 4 to find YouTube player. Found movie player element. But found movie player element. Movie player found. Found 9. Oh. Movie player found. YouTube player not ready for detecting subtitles. Yo, get available subtitles. Okay. Thanks. But get prested method is not. Why don't you fucking use async await? Can't you use async await in browsers? I mean, it has like the whole node thing,
V8 engine there. You should be able to like async await. Why are you using like non-async await shit? Come on, man. That's why we love React Native. You're right. No shit. Oh my days. It's like, come on, man. Just because I don't know anything about Chrome browser extensions doesn't mean, you're like the damn Trinity and shit. See, it didn't give us the code in the first time. Now it is okay. Pop-up jazz. Yeah, boy. Background jazz. Yeah, boy. I mean, shut up. Yeah, all right. Shut up, man. Shut up. And now it's not even finding like the YouTube player. Dude. Why can't you find it? This shit is going along for a long time now. Can't find shit. I don't get it. Like how people with no programming background is gonna run this and make stuff, right? Because I'm a programmer. I can get my way. I mean, I can make any apps under the sun you can think about. But I'm not a web developer, right? And I can get. I have 10 years of experience in app development. I've worked as CTO in different companies where we actually raised millions of dollars, and we recently, this week, we're gonna get $500,000 raised, right, again. And I can't get this shit working in the Chrome browser. Yeah, no shit. So I'm saying like, what chances does non-programmers have? Detect subtitle tracks. Content.js. Okay. I don't know, man. Sometimes shit just work. Oh shoot, Primagen and DHA is live. Damn. Right, whoever is viewing, man, write something down, man, if you're viewing something in Twitch. Right? Or is it me? Anytime anyone views it, so if someone views it, if it shows the viewer as one, right? Because I made one for our app. We made like a streaming something, and for our app, and it was always showing like double number. And I was like, why is it showing double number? But that's why. But anyway, if anyone wants to talk in Twitch or here, let me know. All right. Okay. Content.js async. Okay. Content.js. Yeah. Let me check out Chrome runtime on message add event listener. Request action. Console log. Yeah. Yeah. But Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? It didn't add it. So I would have run it without like all this. And see? Bullshit, man. What's wrong with you? Come on. Finally, background jazz. You need to see that green differ lines. Like green different lines. Otherwise, you don't know if it has loaded or not. It has errors as well. Movie player found, but get state player. Delete everything, man. Yep. Found movie player. Yo, shut up. Found movie player. But come on, shut up. Movie player found, but get player stat is not available yet. Man. I wanna just use it to the chat GPT. 2 LLMs. Let it do stuff together. Right? Making a Chrome extension and to load 2 subs at the same time. It loads 1 sub but fails to load another. Let's see what happens. Should I give it all the code? Like ChatGPT. I don't want to like mix and match between observer, new mutation observer with which model? It's the basic model though. Should we use inside cursor like open app API and shit? Thanks for providing updated info. Yeah, no shit. It seems the movie player element is found. Yeah, get player state method is not available yet. Suggest the YouTube player is not fully initialized. And we're trying to access it. Let's modify our approach to handle the situation. Dude, just tell me you need me to select content jazz. That's all I need to know. And I need to see some green diff. That's all there to it. But apparently it can't even do that. I feel very good about it and very bad about it. The reason I feel good about it is because my job is secured yet. I still have a job. But wait. Hold on. What happened? Nothing changed. Apply. Sync initialize. Initialize spin. That's why I'm a bit happy. But I'm sad because just like in the movie, what is the movie? Where they went to space. And like I can't get robots like Tar. I can't get a robot like that. Modify content jazz. Detect subtitle tracks. What is that? Detect subtitle tracks. Try catch. Else. Really? You know what? Just console log. I want a console log. Console log. YouTube player. I want to see if that exists. What do you want? Okay. Update the listener and content jazz. Oh shit. runtime, on message, add listener, that. Nothing changed. Nothing changed though. Let's just copy it. Oh shit. Okay. Modify pop-up jazz to request available tracks when opened. Nothing changing. Request available tracks. Request available tracks. Yeah. Yeah. Use background jazz. Yo, we did it. I mean, we've done it once. No changes. Shit. Anyway, this is why this gets tiring real quick. Right? Because I don't know how. Same shit. Now I'm like super pissed and tired. This is getting tiring. Not working. No fun. What's wrong? What's wrong with you? No fun. And you're not changing your code either. No fun. It's gonna apologize. Apologize. I apologize. Did you see that? There's this young guy and a girl went out and someone like said something and the guy was like apologize, apologize, and then it hit him hard. So two of these guys were like, damn, the film. Initialize, initiate, initial spin. Content jazz. Okay, a lot of changes. Detect subtle tracks. Pop-up jazz. Chrome runtime. You know what? on message, add event listener, request sender, send response, console log. Yeah, it did not. If request.action updated available tracks will request.tracks populate dropdowns, right? You see, it did not add like the console log is still there, so it did not update its previous code. Something's very wrong. But anyway. Shut up. I wonder if this works. Wait, what happened? Enable extension subtitle. You dead ass? This is definitely it. Wait. No. No. It is not even showing my own subtitle. Hold on. Let me check. Why would you do that? This is not our subtitle. It does look like something happened. Right. It couldn't find it. Dude, it's not even loading the main subtitle. What's wrong with this kid? Okay. Now it can't find the YouTube player at all. Doesn't look like you're a working adult. You need to man up, kid. It was worse. Now it can't load even the primary subtitle. Which was at least working. It ain't working. Shit. Bullshit. Bullshit. Oh, not this. What did he say? Apologize. See, it can't do everything. Primary subtool function first. Yeah, no shit. Request storage access permission denied. That or at least the blue subtitle loader is back. I should have renamed it as failing. This shit doesn't work. Yeah. Manifest shit. No problem. Contract shit. Alright then. Man, everyone's life is hard. We think like actor and actress's life is hard, but they gotta open up their ass to producers, right? So that life is hard too. And if you're a guy, that doesn't mean you're spared. Because you know what? Brandon Fraser had to open up his ass and he didn't. So yeah. So everyone's life is difficult. Our life is difficult. Brandon Fraser's life is difficult. Hell. Everyone's life is difficult. It says permission denied. Still says I'm gonna reload it one more time. Nice. I wanted that. Book, book, book. So manifest. Content. My question is to you, bitch ass cursor. My question to you, bitch ass cursor, is if you are showing the first, if you can show the first subtitle, how come you can't populate the first drop down? How come the first the first subtitle is not loaded? Bitch ass cursor. If you can show the first subtitle, how come the first subtitle is not loaded? I think I made mistake. First sub is not loaded into the drop down. First subtitle is not loaded into the drop down. It's gonna apologize. I need to rename this stream, and I say cursor failing to make a browser extension. And then some dude is gonna come and say it's a skill issue. Of course it's a skill issue. I never made a Chrome extension in my life, and I wanna make one. But AI was supposed to know everything. It can't. That's the whole point of it. Content.js. Alright? Detect subtitle tracks. I think there's something mistake. See, it didn't, when I applied it, it didn't update it. You see that? Not very good, is it? It's still going on. Bullshit. Nice. You see that? Nice. Error blocked by client. What does it mean? Every time I click the drop down, this error is printed. I wonder if I'm using Brave browser. That's the like. Do I have Chrome in my? I don't have Chrome, so I think I better download Chrome. Chrome browser and try to check it out. Man, apologize. Yeah, detect subtitle tracks. That is. Okay. Pop up jazz. You apply that shit, man. I ain't. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing that shit. See what happened? Nothing was added. Document DOM content loaded. DOM content loaded. It didn't apply itself. See, I did it first time. It said accept, and I would, anyone would think like that was like added to the code. It wasn't added. Okay, now here it is. DOM content loaded. Okay. Sync Chrome storage sync get available tracks. Subtitle 1, subtitle 2, font size. It can't. Chrome runtime. Oh man, I'm feeling sleepy. It's boring. It's getting boring. Ain't no fun. No shit. And you're still generating this shit? Why is that DOM content loaded? Yeah. Available tracks, subtitle 1, subtitle 2, font color. If results available tracks. Popular drop downs. Okay. You know what? I'm falling asleep. This shit ain't working. It's bullshit. I'm gonna be the poster child of how cursor can do shit. And then people are gonna tell me that I don't know jack. Where's Chrome browser? Yeah. Let's download this shit. No one's commenting shit? Why not? I'm all by myself. Bitch. Now download it in the download folder. Maybe something to do with Brave browser. Who knows? So many times in my life I've shit didn't work because of dumb reason. I'm tired. I don't think cursor can make it. Chrome browser extension. Load dual subtitle. Load YouTube. Yeah, I know, right? Of course, it's indispensable. Why do you think we're making it? That's right. Caption pop. Is it open source? No, brother. See? Holy crap. The guys made a great thing. I'm just trying to make it. Right? Is it fun like watching like I don't know like Dokugan review. Okay, I don't think caption pop like it has flashcards too. Why am I even making it? Type what you heard. Damn. It does almost everything I want it to do. Go premium. Highlight text and subtitles, that's in premium. 5 per day. That's not something I want. But that's what we're trying to make. How did I live without this? See, once you use it, you can't go back. It's like once you go back, you can never go back, something like that. You know? Hmm? Hmm? What happened? Ah, okay. What? Okay. Hmm. 30 this. So this is something I don't understand. Like, aren't you supposed to like? But yeah, let's go and see what it does. Still doesn't work. Check all the code. Pop-up jazz, content jazz, manifest jazz, pop-up HTML, background jazz. So I'm giving it all the files. Like, yo, check it out. I don't know how much you got in memory, but check this shit out. Not chatting shit. What's going on? I don't understand. populate drop down. Can't do shit. Okay, see, this is clearly you can clearly see it. Apply subtitle settings. Fortunately, it did work. Okay, let's go. See if this works. Probably doesn't. Yeah, you know what? Let's install Chrome browser. Because could be that. Maybe it's just Brave browser. Because Brave browser is a lot more secure than Chrome browser. It's like a different version. Could be that. Let's just take this and blip, close it, close it. Chrome browser. Yes. Nope. Nope. Don't sign in. Nope. Yep. Okay. Developer mode on. Load unpacked. By the way, remove this bullshit. Load unpacked. Projects. Extension. Yeah. Okay. All right now. Wait. What did it show me at? Bullshit apps. Okay. I'll see it. Okay. So it has loaded. Now let's see. Yeah. Shit doesn't work. Not only that, it is unable to like take out that one as well. Enable extension? No. Show border. Why is this in? I'm not willing to spend time. It's time doing your code. Shut it. I want to see what it says. This is the detect sub function. What's different with your given solution? So yeah, tell me, like, because this shit doesn't work. It's just giving out code and telling me to do shit. Well, it can't clearly do the shit. Okay. I'll add. Pop-up receives and uses it data. Okay. Okay. It's asking me to add this. Okay, you said it. I got it. Okay. Let's go and like reload the subtitle and see what happens. It's showing me ad because it's like I haven't signed in into this. Nope. Nope. Let's copy the error to him. Let's see if it finds it. Probably not gonna be able to find it. This is bullshit. I'd rather check Twitter, man. Right. Function apply subtitle settings. Did you apply it already? Pop-up jazz. This shit is no different than how we normally develop. We try, we bang our head against the wall for hundreds of hours, and then suddenly it works, and we don't know why the fuck is working, and we don't know Like it feels like that, right? It feels like that. No? Uh, okay. স্ট্রিমিং করি। My wife called. Like, what are you doing? Fortunately, I have 3 kids to keep her busy. So this shit doesn't work no matter how much I try. Nope. So I've given him everything. See what happens. I don't think it can hack it. I don't think it can hack it. I'm losing my patience, honestly. At this rate, it's better to like just pay someone to do it for me. Because definitely this is not working. Last try. I think I've got a very good idea. I'm gonna, from now on, say how, come and watch how comfyUI can't make this Chrome browser extension, right? Because it is going to be a great failure video for them. Let's just see if this exists. Popular drop-downs. Same shit. I don't know where that is. My question is if you can manifest all right. Can code. Alright guys, since it can do this shit anyway, I gotta go to sleep.